Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to use VLOOKUP, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a table. Okay, this table, in first column you will see this is salesperson name. Okay, and this is, here you will see designation, and then area, then sales value and the rank. Okay, according to their sales value, I have given them a rank. Okay, so and to use VLOOKUP I want to fill this column. Okay, rank column. Okay, I don't want to find out one by one and then fill it here. So for this you have to just use one function which name VLOOKUP. Okay, so to use VLOOKUP, by using VLOOKUP I can automatically find the rank of the written person name. Okay, so how to do it? So first you have to click where you want to use the VLOOKUP, then equals to. Okay, then here you have to type VLOOKUP. Okay, function. Then you will see first lookup value. So lookup value is this name. Okay, I want to look up on the basis of the name. Okay, then you have to just comma, then table array from where you want to find out the value. Okay, so I want to find out this the value from this table, so you have to select whole table. Okay, then you have to lock the table. Okay, so because the table will be same for each person. Okay, so you have to lock this. So for locking you have to just press F4. Okay, and then comma, then here you will see call index number. Call index number means column index number. Okay, so the column is, I want to find out rank, so the column index number is 1 2 3 4 5. So on 5, column number 5 you will see rank option, so you have to just click on 5. Okay, fifth number column. Then here you will see range lookup. So if you want to approximate match or exact match, so I want exact match, so you can comma, type comma 0, or you can type false, so I want to type false. Okay, and then you have to just close the breakup and enter. So you will see this is Jack Marin's rank number. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just copy the formula or drag to the bottom. Okay, now we will once cross check. So his Jack Marin and his rank is 11. Okay, now second Sarma. Here you will see Sarma is here and their rank is 8. Okay, so like this you can use VLOOKUP. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.